Okay guys, look, I got it cranked up. I have the wire going to the distributor strip. It's not bad. Now look, watch down there where you see it going into the distributor. Watch when I pull it back. See, I pull the wire back, it shuts off. Now watch, I'll start it again. Don't mind the Jeep, it's a little messy. Fire's right up. Sorry to get y'all dizzy. Now look, I'm idling, I'm running good. Now watch that wire down there. Ready? I push it forward, it doesn't do nothing. See, I push it forward, it don't do nothing. Now watch. Pull it back, it shuts off. Now, is that, I think it's the wire in that loom right there. It shouldn't be pulling on that pickup because that pickup rotates the opposite way. Alright, figured it out. Thanks for your help. Hopefully this is it. And the last post, appreciate it. That was it, man. I'm thinking that's it. Hey, oh well, we all learn.